Welcome back to the Coding Fanatic YouTube channel. I'm your host Richard, and I'm a full-stack Android developer focused on applying the key skills for software development to Android development and teaching you to do the same. If that sounds like content that you are interested in, then hit subscribe and turn on notifications. If you're new to the channel, I'll catch you up on my latest project. So right now I'm learning Kotlin for the purpose of expanding my Android development skills, and I finished my learning plan for learning Kotlin. I did it by going on the Android developer website, and in the area that discusses Kotlin, I just look for the top areas or the top skills needed for building Android apps. I'm learning Kotlin to build better apps. So if I want to learn it efficiently, the best thing to do is to find the newest skills that are relevant to building apps. There are a lot of different areas for every language, and it can be easy to get caught up and it can be kind of confusing too. I mean, you see there's all these different areas from your basic data structures like your variables, and then you have loops and conditionals and logical statements, things like that, then arrays, and then from there you usually go on to object-oriented stuff and classes and so on. But each language has its own distinct tools and resources that you can use for building these apps, and a lot of times it can get kind of frustrating because you don't know where to start and you don't know where to go. But my goal, like I said, is to do it efficiently. So I just looked for the things that seem closest, that pertain the most to Android development, and those are the things I'm going with. Of course, I'm sure there are more areas that I can branch off into later. In fact, some of the skills that I found towards the bottom of my list, they're more, the farther down the list, the more advanced. So I figure that those are things that are going to take me a little longer to incorporate and understand. But you know, that's all things in good time. I'm not worried about it. And also that this isn't even the final list. This is just my initial one. So I might find there are different areas I want to jump into later on to expand my learning. And so if that's the case, then hey, then I'll have to make some adjustments. But for now, this is the version 1.0 of the learning plan. My main goal here is to learn the basic features of Kotlin, as well as the syntax, and then the key features that I need to build applications, whether it's, you know, like I said before, classes or conditionals and things like that. Like, what are the main pieces? How do I set a listener for a button? How do I even build a button layout? How do I build different activities and add and adjust the action bar, style it the way that I want to, so I can go between activities within the app? All these questions and more, I'm hoping will be answered, or they will be answered. They will be answered. As I go through my learning plan, then for sure, I'm going to find the answers I'm looking for. That being said, over the coming months, that's going to be the content you see towards the end of the week. It's going to be videos and articles about my journey learning Kotlin and any projects that stem from my learning. So that's about it. If anyone has any tools that you recommend for my Android developers, for my Kotlin, for my day one Kotlin users, people who got on the bandwagon early, what do you recommend? What are some tools that you suggest that I use? I mean, I have some of my own, but you know, I'm curious to hear from you. Drop some in the comments below. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks again for tuning in to the Coding Fanatic YouTube channel. I'm your host Richard. Like I said, my goal is I'm a full stack Android developer, and I'm here to learn to use the key skills of Android software development and apply them efficiently in the area of Android development and teach you to do the same. If that's something you're interested in, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the mailing list on codingfanatic.com, and you'll be the first to know when the content like this is released before it even gets to YouTube or anywhere else. So yeah, thanks again everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.